In this video, I'll show you how to download the Ticketmaster app. First of all, open the Play Store if you're using an Android device or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Once you're here, go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type Ticketmaster. Tap the search button and you'll see the Ticketmaster app listed in the search results. The official Ticketmaster app will have the Ticketmaster logo and over 10 million downloads. Once you've found the correct app, tap the Install button. The app will start downloading immediately. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a few seconds or a couple of minutes to download completely. Once the app is installed, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the Ticketmaster app. Now you'll be able to use the app to browse events, buy tickets, and manage your Ticketmaster account. If you already have a Ticketmaster account, you can sign in using your existing email and password, and this is how you can download Ticketmaster app.